closest exercise to doing a log clean is actually lifting a stone, funnily enough, which, yes, there's some explosive power in it, but there's a lot more, but it's not, you're not trying to catch, and you're not trying to jump underneath it like you would with a clean. So with the log, tilt it forward to get the handles at 45 degrees, grab the handles, and then with your wrists, pressing against the back of the log to stop any momentum. Pull it up to your waist, so to your lap, sit it down as low as you can and get it as close into your waist as you can, and really pull it in as tight to yourself as you can. There, pop it up. And the idea why you want to keep it tight and high, because now we're already starting the log here rather than starting with it down here when I'm trying to get it to my chest. So throw it up here, pop, and drive both your elbows up underneath it. But rather than trying to, you're not jumping underneath it to catch it, it's a pull. So here it's a pull and a roll, and then you shoot nice and tight, keep elbows high, and then press from that position. Once again, when it comes to pressing, get her overhead however you feel most comfortable. A push press is what I'm probably going to recommend the most. Not that you can't jerk it, but jerking takes a lot more practice because the balance is so different to a barbell. And with a jerk, if you're slightly too far forward or too far back, because the way the log's weighted,